If you're looking for a way to completely delete your personal vault from OneDrive, then you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to delete personal vault in OneDrive the easiest way. Maybe you no longer use the extra security features, or maybe you just want to simplify your OneDrive storage. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you know exactly what's happening before you remove it. Let's jump right in. First, it's important to understand that the most reliable way to disable Personal Vault is through the OneDrive website. Sometimes the option may not appear correctly on your PC depending on your OneDrive version or regional settings, but the web version almost always works the same way for everyone. So open your favorite web browser and head over to the OneDrive website. Then sign in with the Microsoft account connected to your OneDrive storage. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon to open Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Options. This opens the main settings area where you can manage different OneDrive features and preferences. Now, on the left-hand side, look for the Personal Vault section and click on it. Before you continue, there's something really important you need to know. Disabling Personal Vault permanently deletes everything stored inside it. So if you have important photos, documents, passwords, or private files saved there, make sure to move them somewhere else first, like a regular OneDrive folder. Think of Personal Vault like a secure locker inside your OneDrive account. Once you remove the locker, anything still inside it disappears too. So take a moment and double-check your files before moving forward. Once you're ready, click the Disable button. Microsoft will likely ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. This might involve entering a code sent to your phone or email. This extra step is there to make sure nobody can accidentally or intentionally remove your secure files without permission. After verification, Microsoft will show you a final warning message explaining that your Personal Vault files will be deleted permanently. Read through it carefully. If you're completely sure, confirm the warning and continue. After that, Personal Vault will be disabled and removed from your OneDrive account. Now, if you prefer using your Windows PC instead of the website, you may also be able to disable Personal Vault directly from the OneDrive desktop app. Just keep in mind that this option may not appear for everyone. On your computer, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar. Then click the gear icon and open Settings. Inside the Settings window, look through the available tabs. Depending on your OneDrive version, you may see an Account tab or a dedicated Personal Vault section. If you see the option to disable Personal Vault, click it and follow the same verification steps from earlier. Again, Microsoft may ask for identity confirmation before allowing the vault to be removed. Once confirmed, Personal Vault will be disabled from your account. Overall, the process is actually pretty straightforward once you know where the settings are located, and thankfully, Microsoft includes several warning messages along the way so you don't accidentally remove important files. And that's it. You now know how to safely delete or disable Personal Vault in OneDrive, using both the website and your Windows PC. Hopefully, this tutorial helped make the process easier and cleared up any confusion. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like because it really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple OneDrive guides, Windows tutorials, and easy tech how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.